Previously on Gladden TV.
Said the only fight that I want to be in is the cryptocurrency fight. You know what I'm saying? Just mentally keeping myself in the game. You know what I'm saying? Not being distracted, not getting out of character.
Yeah, I like that, huh? Public service announcement. DigiByte just got listed on crypto.com. That's huge. The light switch. Yeah, I'm just chilling, man. I'm late. It's late. We just experienced a nice dip in the market. Once again, like I said, you can't let anything upset you. You know what I'm saying? The jig is up. There's nowhere else to put the money, you know? Like, if you think people are taking the money that they earned, right? I'm talking about the whales, right? And they're just exiting forever because they're about to go live happily ever after somewhere during this financial crisis / health pandemic. No. It's all to scare you. It's all to scare you out the market. That's what it is. When I saw the market all red today, I just chuckled. I started laughing to myself. It's like, yeah, okay, yeah. It's like every time, you know, it never fails. We got green days, mild green days, green days, nice candles, nice price actions, and then boom, they pull the rug from up under us. It's hilarious at this point. Back in 2018 wasn't so funny, right? Pre-pandemic. Or, I mean, hell, I've been in a pandemic since the day I was born. That's how I look at it. But it's so hilarious. Hopefully nobody is sweating bullets right now, right? But yeah, I bought the dip. Tiny bag. Nothing crazy. I don't have 2 jobs anymore. Well, technically I do. One is a job that physically gives me money, and the other job is to, just ducking the BS is a job, right? So, guess I don't have 3 jobs anymore. Another physical, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to be all philosophical and technical, right? But yeah. In other news, though, I was at work today, right? And this married couple, they're like, I don't know. One of them, like the lady, she was trying to bribe me with some weed, right? She's like, "You smoke weed, right?" And I'm like, "No, I don't." She's like, "Come on, you're joking." And I'm like, "No, I really don't." So she's like, "Oh no, it's cool. Drinking's your thing. You know, I'm a drinker too." And I'm like, "I don't even do that." So her husband comes out of nowhere, right? And he's like, "Wait, what? Did I just hear you don't drink and you don't smoke? Well, what the hell do you do?" And of course I chuckled. I started laughing. But then it kind of hit me. I was just like, wow, what do I do, right? We've been in this pandemic for over a year and a half. I mean, I'll tell you guys this. It's not a big deal. If I go to a party, or when I used to go to parties, I would drink like 1 or 2 cups of something fruity. You know, maybe have a little alcohol in it, but that's it. I've never been like drunk, and I just never tried weed before. You know, I don't stay around people who smoke or anything like that, but for a large portion of my life, I've lived and been around people who smoke weed, but I've never been tempted to do it. Why? Well, I've always been like an athlete, right? I've had dreams and ambitions of being like a football player, a skater at one point as well. Yeah, I used to skate, or I still do, but super rusty, right? So always wanted to be on point, right? I wanted to be the clean athlete. So after a long period of time of me just like never doing anything, it stuck with me, you know? Like I don't have urges, it's like whatever, you know? It's like, to me it's normal, but for a lot of other people it's not. But I say that to say, like, I kind of envy certain people who don't have to live through this in real time. You know what I'm saying? Like, every day I'm living through this in real time. As far as just kind of like, I got no escape. You know, I might play video games or I might try to go out and have fun. But like, it's like I don't have an escape. My escape is, I would say, this crypto uh, industry, this crypto space, right? I'll tell you this, I do plan on trying weed after things work out for me in this very own space. Not now, no, not now. I'm talking about later. Later. Plan to do that, like, you know, even with my girl, like, we're the same. We don't do nothing, right? That's one thing that we have in common. But yeah, I plan on smoking. I don't know. I don't even know what the hell. So many flavors I hear people talk about. Like I'm a '90s baby, right? Like, so all I knew growing up was just what people used to say, chronic, and then that switched to what, dro. And I'm probably, yeah, I'm late. I'm all the way behind, but that's cool because it's not my thing, you know. But now I hear purple this and purple that and cookie strawberries and like they got a name for. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. Like, and I'm not trying to make this a weed thing, right? But I've heard that, you know, a lot of the rappers from the early '90s, the golden age, they fucked with a lot of chronic. It's almost like, why wouldn't y'all still fuck with that? Like, why y'all trying to do the other shit, the purple blueberry kush and the hydro, whatever the fuck? Like, since when has that ever worked for anybody? I'm bugging right now, I know. But yeah, man, as far as the crypto industry, man, uh as far as the space, it's late, man. So I'm making this video late. Um I would just say, man, is buy as much as you can for as little as you can. Why? Because you always won't have the opportunities to buy the current cryptos you see today for the prices that they are today. That's just the way it is, you know? And remember, what you won't do, the next person will do. You should know that by now. That person is me. You know what I'm saying? But take it as and use it as motivation, right? Like I said before, you gotta be tired of being on the mouse wheel. You gotta be tired of it. Nowhere to put it, you know? Life is more than just I don't even know where I want to go with that. But I just want to have fun, you know? I want to have fun and I want the people around me to have fun. I just want to like change lives, you know what I'm saying? Like break the cycle and so on. I'm gonna tell you this. Ever since I was like a little kid, I always knew like, and this is like no shot to anybody in my family, but I always knew to a certain degree like I was gonna have to be the one to make it happen, you know? It's like that 50 Cent song, track number 8, I believe, on Get Rich or Die Trying. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. I might be wrong about the track, but you know the song. But I've always felt like that. And I didn't know how I was gonna make that happen, you know? I'm not like the smartest person in the book, right? But I got some book smarts, you know what I'm saying? I got some street smarts, but nothing off the scale, you know? Nothing off the charts. Like, I know people talk about IQs and so on. Like, I don't know, yeah. I'm not gonna even touch on that, right? I'm not qualified. But yeah, I'm just chilling, y'all. That's it. That's all I got. I don't want to make this longer than it should. But yeah, I'm just like y'all, man. I wake up every day and I just kind of. All right, so I woke up today, and normally, you know, the first thing I do when I wake up, check where the hell I'm at, right? But I woke up and I was just like, wow, this is gonna happen. What? The crypto shit, like, this is really gonna happen for me. And of course, a lot of other people as well, you know, and this is not me being selfish, right? This is just some real shit that I'm about to say. I care that a lot of us in this crypto space make it, right? But I need to make it. You know what I'm saying? The same way you feel that you need to make it. It's not even really who gets there first. It's just kind of like we all have our own personal goals and desires in this, you know? So I'm gonna say it for future references. I'm never gonna get on here and pretend as if I want all of us to make it. Like, if I see everybody make it but me, I'm gonna be pretty fucking pissed, right? Like, the truth, you know? I'm done. I'm gonna get off this thing before I say the wrong thing I'm not supposed to say, right? But yeah, I woke up today and I was like, yo, this is really gonna happen. Like, I zoned in on it, I visualized it, and then it kind of faded away. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got, man. See y'all next time.